Hello, my name is Neja, and in this video I'm going to explore Exabis ePortfolio. So first we need to go to MySpace, and in my portfolio artifacts I need to upload a link and a file. So let's start with the link. For the link, actually I need the link for my blog post that I want to upload, and I will find it in my blog. So here are my blog entries, and here is the link that I need. Okay, I will copy it. Okay, and copy the link here. Right, the title is Roles of an Online Teacher. Okay. I can actually add some pictures here, but I don't think it is necessary, so I'm going to submit it, and here is the link. The next thing I should do is upload a file, and the process is a bit different. So the first thing I need is to find the original file. Okay, this is my blog post, but I think it was in week 2 where I had a weekly discussion about roles of a teacher, and I should find my discussion. Okay, good, and I would then click on Export to Portfolio, but I'm not going to send it to Blog Export Portfolio. I will download the file. Okay, and it has been downloaded. Okay, so the next thing I should do is, okay, format is HTML, it's fine. Next, I need to confirm, and I would then like to return to where I was. Okay, which is my original blog. Now I need to go back to my artifact portfolio, and here I should upload the file, which is now in my computer. Okay, so I will first find the file. Okay, upload file. I need to choose file. It is under downloads, and okay, I need to open it. Now it is here, and I will upload this file. Here is the file, and the title is again Roles of an Online Teacher. Right, I will now submit it, and here is my file, and here is my link. Okay, good, that would be all from me for today. Thank you for listening. Bye.